Good morning everyone. My name is Chaitanya and I am studying in second standard S2 in Vinayaka Public School. Today I am going to show you subtraction model. This is minus. This is symbol for subtraction. I will give one example. 14 minus 9. Take 14 sticks and put it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Take out and put it here. 9 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The leftover sticks and put it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 5.